This is from Eurostat. So this is the official European Union statistics, EU excess mortality from Eurostat. Now, looking down here, it conveniently breaks this up into different countries, so we can hover over and get the information. So Finland, we see 12.4% excess mortality. Ireland currently 12.16. Portugal 2, just over 2. Spain 2.1. France 3.85%, more than we would expect. Austria, wow, 13.175, higher than we would expect. But, and this is really interesting, when we look at some of the Eastern European countries, some of the poorer European countries, again, coincidentally, some of the countries that didn't vaccinate as much for COVID, we see Bulgaria 8.74% less than we would expect. Romania, 12% less than we would expect. Hungary, less than we would expect. We're seeing in these countries death rates less than we would expect. Now, this is what we would expect everywhere, really. This is what we would expect everywhere, because during the pandemic, the people that died were the people that were most vulnerable, and therefore they died a few years earlier than they would have done, and they're not dying now. So we would expect lower death rates globally, everywhere at the moment, but we're seeing the exact opposite of that.